Guys, so we're gonna go ahead. So this is the J&L oil catch can right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that, mount that on right here. It's gonna be connected to the bolt right here with the hood strut. So stay tuned for that. This is the before. We're gonna show you guys the after. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna get the J&L oil catch can on. I have currently next gen speed. They're installing the oil catch can. We already took it out of the box. I'll show it to you guys here shortly. Shout out to Kow Performance. They hooked me up with the J&L catch can. We're gonna go ahead and get this installed and put it on the Shelby GT500. All right, guys, we got the oil catch can installed. This is the final outcome and result of the J&L oil catch can, formerly known as JLT. Take a look. This is where we had it connected. Boom, one housing clamp, and that's the second one right over there. We got it nice and fit. It's all connected. We've got the catch can right over here, connected with the bracket right there with the hood strut. So there you have it, guys. That is the J&L oil catch can. This is the installation video. So far, it's pretty reliable. It's nice and sturdy. Doesn't really shake around. It's hot. Can't really touch it, but I was just driving the car, so. But yeah, pretty sturdy, pretty cool. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.